Hello YouTube, this is a Satsu 5 and I got here loblolly pine needles. Don't know if that's in frame. And we're gonna make, I'm only gonna say it in this way once, pine pop. Now it's blasphemous to refer to soda as pop in Texas. We normally refer to it as soda or Coke. But yeah, you can get loblolly or white pine needles, and you can make something that's a little bit like 7-Up or Sprite. And what you want to do is cut these brown tips off right here. I got my leatherworking knife. I actually did my first leather project ever right here. But yeah, so we're going to cut this. Make sure we get all that brown stuff off. And I got I think this is an 8-ounce swing top bottle. And I want to put this in here. And the concept is the white pine or loblolly or whatever pine you're using. By the way, I used an app to check what kind of pine this is because not all pine is the same. But loblolly is a non-toxic pine tree, and you can make tea from the pine needles, or you can make piney woods Sprite, or big thicket Sprite, or pine tree Sprite, whatever you want to call it. I think that's enough pine needles, and though that's probably too much. And then I got about 2 tablespoons of sugar in here. I think it really only counts for 1, but I don't trust my measurer. Put about that much in there, maybe a little bit more. I'm just guesstimating. Hang on 1 second. I got standard warm water. There's nothing special about this water. It's not carbonated. And there's going to be natural yeast on the pine needles. It's going to ferment the sugar, and it's going to make this a carbonated citrusy drink. Now you're going to want to leave a little air gap in there. We're gonna put this lid on, and we're gonna shake it up. Never mind the dog. And we're gonna let it sit in my closet. I'll be back with you in about 3 to 5 days. Hello YouTube, this is a Satsu 5, and I've been having issues with my Leica 3F. I was going to go to the fights and watch go to Buffalo Wild Wings and watch the fights and then develop film, but I have no film to develop because I had some kind of issue. So I thought I would open my pine pop. I hate saying pop for soda. Pine tree soda, pine needle soda. I put probably 2 tablespoons of sugar in here, pine straw and water. And I've never done this before. I've seen it on the internet, and there's supposed to be a wild yeast on the pine needles that ferments the sugar and makes this fizzy, and then it's going to give it a Sprite-like taste. And so I didn't see a lot of bubbles, which concerns me because usually when there's fermentation you see bubbles. This is considered a non-alcoholic drink. There's going to be trace amounts of alcohol, but nothing that you're going to get drunk on or anything. And I think at max you can get like 2% by volume. Like that's max. If you bring an outside yeast, a more robust yeast, you can probably get a little bit more. So I'm fixing to press on this, and we're going to see what happens. There's a little pop. Look, it's fizzing. Not quite as vigorous as I've seen on the internet, but it's definitely fizzing. You can see the foam right there. Oh wow. Tastes a lot like Sprite, more like Sprite than I thought. Probably could have fermented a little bit more, but I've seen these be quite volatile. I got another bottle that I made, and it's going to ferment until tomorrow, and we'll see how it turns out. But right now, this tastes pretty good. I'm going to open the other one up with my brother tomorrow, and we'll see how it works. See you there. All right, YouTube, we got the big bottle of Pine Tree soda, and I got my brother here. We're going to try it. I have a good bit more sugar in here because of the extra volume. Let's see what happens.
I felt some mist come off of it.
Yeah, it's barely fizzing up. It's not really fizzing up that much. Not as much as the smaller one.
All right, let's give it a shot. It does have a limey taste to it.
Yep. That kind of sounded a little bit limey taste. I don't know. I can see bubbles coming up, but it's not nearly as much as the other one. I'm going to have to try this again. But yeah, I see little bubbles coming up, but it's definitely not as vigorous as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, kind of.
I like it.
Yeah, it's definitely not. I kind of think this tastes a little bit like a flat Sprite.
Okay. Well, could you like let it sit more now that we've opened it, or would it not do anything?
I don't know. I guess I'm going to put it back in. I put this in the fridge to cool it off for this video, but I guess I will put this back in my closet and see what happens. So,
all right. Well, thanks for watching.